Porsche 718 Cayman. 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman pricing and specs. Highlights: 2.0 liters H4 engine, 6 SPD man without transmission, 306,500 revolutions per minute horsepower, 280 at 1,950 revolutions per minute torque, raise wheel drive right, ABS and driveline traction control, 18 inches silver aluminum wheels, front ventilating, manual, Sirius XM AM/FM/HD, satellite, look for filter radio, 2, first line LCD screen, key fob, all entryways, remote keyless section, warmed mirrors, cowhide, leatherette seat trim, stopping help, non-freezing stopping devices. ABS brakes consequently sense when a tire has quit pivoting under outrageous braking, and will tweak the brakes train to enable the tire to turn. This expands the vehicle's capacity to turn while braking. Security control. Security control naturally faculties when the vehicle's taking care of braking points have been surpassed and decreases motor power or potentially applies select brakes to help keep the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags. Front effect airbags for the driver and traveler have been intended to ensure the head amid a frontal crash. Side impact airbags. Side effect airbags for the front seats have been intended to ensure the middle amid a side effect crash. Overhead airbags. Overhead airbags are utilized to secure the tenants' heads in case of a side crash or rollover. Knee airbags. Knee airbags help to shield the tenants' lower limits from genuine damage in case of a mischance. Pretensioners. Safety belt pretensioners consequently fix safety belts to put the inhabitant in the ideal seating position amid a crash. Security system. The vehicle is outfitted with the methods for foreseeing and additionally recognizing undesirable vehicle interruption. The vehicle is outfitted with a start incapacitate gadget that will keep the motor from beginning if the right unique maker key isn't utilized.